Hi guys, today we're gonna do the service to this Porsche 996 from 1999. We will use a Cayenne oil filter. This is the part number, so it's a good filter. For a 996 Carrera 4. Use an 8mm iron and open the drain cap. Now we will open the oil filter cover and we will replace the oil filter. Clean perfectly the oil filter cover. Remove all the used oil and replace the oil filter cover gasket. Remove the old one and replace for the new one provided with the oil filter. So fit it. Okay, put on its place and use some oil on the new gasket, and then it will fit perfectly. Now insert the new oil filter. Now put it back to the housing. We will bolt it on 25 Newton meter. Okay. Now we want to bolt on the oil drain plug.